Hi guys, welcome to my APG.STUDIO channel. How to do yoga, how to exercise like a pro. We're using similar position from yoga for the exercise as well. The one we're doing today is a squat. Chair yoga, chair in yoga, squat in fitness, but it's exactly the same exercise, the same position for your body. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so to find the correct distance for your feet and your knees is the first thing that is important. Let's start with your legs, with your shoulders width apart and your feet 45 degrees out. You're rotating your legs so your knees follow the same direction and you're slowly keeping your chest high, nice and upright. You're going down to the position, you've got your heels on the floor and you're not leaning forward. So that's the first thing we need to check. How is your flexibility and how is the mobility in your joints, especially your ankles. So if you're lifting your heels, you need to improve the mobility in your ankles. It's gonna be another video for that, so don't worry, you will be covered with this one. I'll show you this way. If you're trying to go really low but your body is not ready for that, that's the adaptation. You're going to lean forward, instead go low with your hips. So remember, first start your legs out. As you bend your knees, they follow the direction as your toes, as your feet, and you're holding yourself upright. Maybe that's a squat. Maybe that's your squat. If you go really low, still holding feet flat, you're bringing your feet pointing forward. It's the same distance, just change position of your feet or your joints. So now your feet and your knees pointing forward, and try if you can go again low with your hips, not with your chest. If you're still going down, your heels slightly up. So again, you've got this angle with your feet and you're trying to go low. Again, watching, is my body compensating by leaning forward or lifting heels? I need to stop. That's it, that's your plank. If you're still going really low, again, feet parallel each other, knees follow the same direction, always keep the same gap between your feet and your knees, and you're gonna be safe. Okay, simple as that. Just remember to work with the right muscles. You need to have the right technique. Hopefully you find this video useful. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe for more. Exercise like a pro, and see you next time. Bye.